removal of ostomy. Gently remove the tape from the exterior, working your way in, removing the flange bit by bit, working your way down, removing the adhesive of the wax ring that surrounds the ostomy. Slowly work your way down, peel as close to the tape as possible using your gloved hands. With utility washcloth, once ostomy bag is removed, cover open ostomy with washcloth and begin to remove excess wax and adhesive from around ostomy using the adhesive wipe remover. Use this sparingly. Begin by working from the top and working your way down away from the opening of the ostomy. You'll notice bits of wax and adhesive removing. Be sure to remove in a downward fashion away from the opening and use the utility towel to collect as much of the adhesive and residual wax from the prior ostomy bag as possible. Once this step is completed, you will have to change the utility towel quickly and efficiently, and you will have to change your gloves. Next step is to sanitize the open ostomy prior to the pre-stick adhesive being put on. Same fashion as removing the wax and residual adhesive, sanitize the area completely in a circular motion around the open ostomy from all of its opening area down and away from the opening. Use 2 alcohol swabs per side. Be sure to not leave any residual wax and or adhesive behind. This can build up and cause improper seals when putting on the new ostomy. Again, work from the other side in the same fashion, down and away. Allow a few seconds for the alcohol to evaporate before applying the skin protection wipe pre-adhesive product. Use this liberally, give some time to dry, and begin applying pre-stick in the same fashion you removed. Do not touch the open ostomy pink area at any time, as this can cause damage to the ostomy and or infection. Again, after a few moments, the adhesive will become more tacky. You are now ready to attach your new ostomy bag. Remove the white tabs on one side before applying it to your ostomy. Once you remove the utility cloth quickly, place the opening of the ostomy bag wax ring over the ostomy. And begin to apply gentle pressure on the sticker flange and attach the adhesive. One side completely, gently pressing against the opening and ensuring that the adhesive backing of the flange is adhering to the skin around the ostomy. Be sure that the ostomy is lined up in the exact center of the opening of the wax ring and the flange leading into the back. Remove the final backing on the opposite side, discard, and begin sealing off the ostomy. Be careful not to get your gloves between the adhesive and the ostomy. Be sure that there is a smooth seal around the entire connection of the flange. Once you have this step, inspect all areas and make sure that it is adhered, and begin placing X's and tape on both sides.